Richard, what is up, my dude? How are you? What time is it in China?
Hey Ricky, I'm just hanging out. Just finished some homework for Eben's APS class. What's going on back on campus?
Oh, just the usual groovy stuff. We've got a fun weekend coming up, and then an admissions open house on Thursday, November 19th, and that should be pretty awesome.
Dan, I wish we there.
Richard, you can be there. It's virtual and on Zoom, so anyone in the world can join in, even in China. And because it's at 8 p.m. here, it'll be during the morning for you.
Well, that rocks. When is it again?
Thursday, November 19th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time.
How can I tell my friends to sign up?
Check out the website, whitemountain.org/open house. I think there's a link in the bio on the gram, too.
Well, see you later.
Adios, Richard.